nuts.
Thomas Jefferson would be proud.
Obviously, the cops aren't doing nothing to him.
They just drive around the block. There's been a couple of cops. They just drive around the block.
I think it's because it's unincorporated. They can't really do nothing.
Oh, this is. That is.
That shows you've never seen. Wow, it's unbelievable.
Yeah, but we got here. There were two Cook County cops down here, and that's why we thought for sure it was all over.
Yeah. They either
Oh, more.
and then they're ignoring it, or
I don't know. They come by, then they just drove by again now. So
yeah, it's great.
So how long have you lived here? I didn't even know anybody.
10 years?
10 years.
Really?
Whoa, wait, guys.
I had no idea anybody was even in this house. It's,
Oh, like it was.
we walk our dog around here all the time and every day.
Well, maybe we're home.
When we first moved in, there was one house.
Which house is yours?
You thought it was vacant?
Yeah, I never see anybody in here.
Yeah, we just keep
Well, I've been
ourselves.
home. So you should.
Well, when we come by, you're probably around 6 or 7 watch dogs. We live Brewer Street. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 houses down.
Oh, okay. And
Since '92.
oh,
So we moved in. There was one little house right. There was only 3 houses on this whole street.
92.
Yeah.
Wow,
was your
Tom.
house? Was it custom built?
The guy who lives on the very corner built mine. Surprised my dog ain't freaking out. But were you here when this house burned? Probably about. I'm just guessing. I can't
Did it
remember.
burn down or just?
Pretty much. The propane tank caught on fire.
Holy.
And
That's scary.
yeah, well, the fire department's right down the street. They're going to come because it's Rolling Metals, and that's
How stupid.
It's unincorporated.
They would not come.
No, it sat and burned and burned and burned, and finally they came over and put it out. But then we thought they were just going to level it and put a bunch of houses up.
Honey, if we had a fire, would they come?
They rebuilt. Yeah, you're
Here?
in Rolling Metals. Yeah, you're in Rolling Metals.
But right there?
That's
Down-
unincorporated. I don't think Rolling Metals can mess with them. It's unincorporated.
That's amazing. I
Maybe
didn't know
that's
that.
the issue. That other guy said that.
When we moved in, my neighbor, our backyard, he's palletine on Rolling Metals. But then he had a whole different mailing address and everything. And they changed it all because the fire department couldn't figure out where to go because mine was 1511 and my neighbor was
Wow, guys.
141.
Bigger than my viewfinder.
Everybody's out.
Everyone thinks it's Dover and they keep more.
Yeah.
That's why the cops came because we got a text. My son's friend lives 2 houses over. Unless they say it's all electronic, they can't turn it off.
You kind of hear yelling right before.
One of them sounded from our house sounded like it blew up kind of low, and then there was nothing for a while. We thought maybe there was a problem.
No, that was just probably powerful. We've been watching for a half hour.
So this outdid last year?
Sitting out.
This is unbelievable.
We had no idea it was going to be like this. So.
Yeah. 92?
Yeah, we moved
That's
in
a long
92.
time, yeah.
You didn't see the lights on?
Honestly. I'm just happy to see a beer in your hand because nobody in the street drinks. Nobody. Because we know everybody lives.
Do you know everybody?
Well, not from this way over.
Do you know these people?
No, I don't know. I know your neighbors. I know the people with the white dog.
Petersons?
I can't think of their name.
Petersons?
No, it's not Peterson's.
No, honey, you remember?
You mean these people right here?
No,
No.
one.
Next time you talk to them, honey, you should say.
I will.
I couldn't tell you they were.
They live right here, down here. They
Oh, they're not the end house over here.
No.
They're the Greek
This
family.
house down
Apparently they
south.
own
Not
some
that big
grocery
mansion.
stores.
No.
No.
you know where there's the kind of the just the acreage that's open.
Yeah, and there's a house right there. Oh, that's
That's who
them.
it is.
Oh, so I thought it was these people.
No, and it's people. Have you ever seen them? They have snowmobiles and.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
This has been going. Honey, did you check?
When
When do you think it started?
The first one
I
started
can
about
tell you.
8:30. This
What time is it now?
9:35.
You think they've been doing it for an hour?
But they take little pauses here and there, but this is going pretty consistent now.
They didn't. I don't think they had as many people over last year. They had people.
Is that where all
over-
these cars were?
Yeah.
Because all of a sudden the cops are here, and all of a sudden about 5 cars shot down the street, and we're just kind of. There's usually not that much traffic on the
Right.
street.
I think that they're bringing them in. People are coming in just to see what's going on.
But right when the cops were here, they all left. We thought, well, maybe that's it. They shut them down. That's when it was raining. I'm like, I don't even know if it's worth, because we're in Morton Grove with my wife's family, and I said, I don't know if it's worth going back.
Yeah.
This is worth it.
We were going to go to Indiana. Thank God we didn't go.
Yeah, really. We would have known what we
We
missed.
would have missed it.
We wouldn't have known what we missed. Worse.
Maybe that's it. Everybody's clapping.
Well, you don't know what it's like.
Oh, here's
It's
more.
never-
They're commenting. Whoa! There's my daughter.